In this experiment, we will study the gaseous exchange in mealworms. Set up the apparatus as shown. What is the difference between tube A and tube B? What is the purpose of setting up tube B? Measure the distance between the stopper and the red ink marker in each capillary tube. Repeat the measurement after 5 minutes. How does the distance between the stopper and the red ink marker in each capillary tube change? In this experiment, we find that the red ink marker moves towards the boiling tube A. On the other hand, the position of the red ink marker in tube B remains unchanged. In tube A, the mealworms take in oxygen from the air in the boiling tube and give out carbon dioxide. The soda lime can absorb the carbon dioxide in the boiling tube. The total amount of gases in the boiling tube decrease. This causes the gas pressure inside the boiling tube to decrease. As a result, the red ink marker moves towards the boiling tube. In tube B, there are no mealworms taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide, so the gas pressure in the boiling tube remains unchanged. As a result, the position of the red ink marker remains unchanged.